Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now let us derive third equation of motion, which can be written as 2s is equal to v square minus vi square, where a represents the acceleration, s represents the distance, vf represents the final velocity, and vi represents the initial velocity. So let us start. So as we know that S is equal to V average into T. This is equation number first. We also know that average velocity can be written as Vi plus Vf divided by 2. Now put this value here in equation number first. So equation number first implies that S is equal to Vi plus Vf divided by 2 multiplied by singular T. This is equation number second. Now we have to put the value of T here in equation number 2. For this we are using first equation of motion, which is Vf is equal to Vi plus At. Now this implies that At is equal to Vf minus Vi. Now T is equal to Vf minus Vi divided by singular A, acceleration. This is the value of T. Now we have to put this value here in equation number second. So equation number second can be written as S is equal to Vi plus Vf divided by 2 and Vf minus Vi divided by singular A. Now we have to rearrange this portion as S is equal to Vf plus Vi divided by 2 or Vf minus Vi divided by singular A. Now here we will use a formula which is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So यहाँ पर ये फार्मूला हम यूज करेंगे. So जब ये करेंगे तो हमारे पास ये आ जाएगा s is equal to a की जगह vf square, b की जगह हमारे पास आ जाती है vi square divided by 2 multiplied by a is equal to 2a. Now by cross multiplication this implies that 2as is equal to vf square minus vi square, which is our required result. बस हमने आसानी के साथ थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन को प्रूव कर दिया. अगर इसमें किसी किस्म का सवाल हो, प्रूफ में किसी स्टेप की समझ ना आई हो तो बेटा पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है बोला, समझ लो इसको.